guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Happy Monday, guys. So it's family day today, and it's also reading week, so it's a holiday. The kids are off from school this week and persons are not at work today. So stay tuned for this week's vlog. If you haven't been watching the videos and you're not subscribed, that not cute, clock like tea, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And guys, if you watched the video and you really not like the video yet, that not cute, be sure to like the video as well and leave a comment down below, no man. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned for this week's vlog. Guys, so we're downtown. Woo, baby Jesus, it is cold out in these streets. Nobody asked you that. So just to take a look at stroll. I really want vlog phone, but all my motor get numb like when you get anesthesia a dentist. Anyway, I'm gonna put away the camera just a little and then I'll be back to you. Peace. Okay, guys, it's pretty loud in here. I'm not sure what's happening upstairs, but where I don't know. So today is family day, like I said, and yeah. Woo. Outside was so cold. Maybe. So guys, we came into H&M. Ooh, I like that coat. H&M. After almost screaming my head off. This nice here? Like a trench? You don't like a trench coat? What do you guys think?
Most of the white people
That's my fault. Ooh, this cute.
And them love that color, like on them pair with a long coat, and them have on them boots, and them neutral colors.
I think this is nice. I like this top. So cute.
You look so rich and nice.
This is so cute. Guys, what do you think about this top? And then even this one.
This is nice as well.
Yeah, that nice for true. I like this look red one. And I like this plaid one.
Oh, they give me, yes, these give me like sorority. Not sorority, like them.
It's almost like it for wear under this,
Yes,
and then with the pants.
Or probably with all this and this.
Right.
Oh, this is a sweater. Oh, the same thing? Oh, yes.
Yeah, but it's bigger. Instead of this bigger one. These are sweet. I even like this top. You know what? Sometimes I'm top here. When you see people in them, and you say, oh God, that's nice.
I want to feel them nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Linen shirt, $49. Okay. Not bad. Is this a skirt? No, shorts. Oh, more linen.
Yes, this looks warm.
Yeah, it look nice and warm. I'm gonna want one denim jacket too. Is that top? I want denim top. Girl, your journey. Like analysis to say your journey will take off, you know. You soon come in and store and pick up, you know. Oh, eh. That's true.
Like this too.
Of course. Guys, H&M are going with itself. But man, not money. You look at taps and roses, guys. Taps and roses. Top up the screen. Top up the screen. some money at wheels and donuts. Some a joke, yeah. Some universe lion. The same thing I like.
This is female side. This is the female
This too?
side.
The all like me. Chuma say don't listen.
Them not a man section.
Yeah, man. My hat seems to be falling off my head. Like my head is too big or something. Man, I like it. No, I'm not really feel up on still. Alright, see which other store we can go. So I'll just video like this, yeah? They not going to talk.
Yeah, before you just say actual words, you want more the
But I don't know what you say now, so you say me. I mean, it's very. Oh, I like this.
I honestly walk aimlessly, you know. Oh, we did in a store here, but
A big. Whoa. Let's check. Guys, I have to take off the hat. My head was getting hot. So we're gonna go look at the moose. Got a little, you know? Because I mean, who goes to the mall and not buy something? Right? You want to see the moose? Hold on.
So they were our teachers. But while the mothers were doing what they needed to do, you know, to help everybody stay fed and warm, and the men were out hunting, they were full of knowledge. And because we come from an oral tradition, this knowledge was kept. So as young upcoming elders, we try to learn about as much as we can learn from our senior. No one is. So you just have to be thankful for everything that you have. And, you know, because that's what we are about. We have a lot to share.
I just got to take pictures with the cool ladies, as you saw. Listen, one thing with the mall over here, you know, you will walk for 4 hours, 5 hours, easy. And as I said to you guys earlier, it is a holiday. So, yeah. We'll just walk and look and enjoy. Folks rap, we gotta stop. And when they try to take the mic, then we wanna drop. Oh, you know, black, it just don't crack. Man, a rapper.
Rapper Liam.
This woman. Okay, guys, we're gonna grab something at Subway for our brunch. We're watching our calorie intake, right? So I'm gonna take something with less calories. I think I'm gonna do the rotisserie, the chicken rancher. Yeah, that's what I wanna do. That's what I'ma do. Tomato, a little spinach, green pepper, onion, cucumber, jalapenos, banana peppers. Guys, the sandwich looks like it's gonna taste good. Alright, so finished with the night of mall. So I walk back at the car. So guys, I think you've seen enough of this part of downtown. Because honestly we didn't go that far, but it's pretty cold, so it's hard to keep walking in this kind of condition. So I'll see you in the next clip, alright? Guys, I did tell you I was coming back into the gym, don't it? It's my first day back. And this is just for a short period. But I'm happy to be in the gym today. Oh man. So let's get this. Let's go.
Yeah, no, just pour it. It's okay. Yeah.
You don't want this salad? I'll be right back.
When I'm finding out, so I have to brush my first.
Is it okay to try it now?
Yeah. I don't know what they bring up on it, man. No. Are you at one?
Oh, sorry. I thought you were just saying I love the taste.
Yeah, take into consideration.
Keep it cool. I can feel it in me. When you do those things to me, don't let nothing stop you. With me along the club is jumping, jumping. So scared I saw you way up.
You don't put it fast though.
I want to get to that point.
What?
I can't get the food fast, quickly.
But you're not cook slow. Hey guys, so I hope you have been enjoying the vlog thus far. Today's Thursday. I just left a meeting at my office. Yeah, and so I wanted to wrap up this week's vlog here, so I said let me come and just talk with a little, check in how you guys doing. Thank you so much for all the new subbies. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. We're almost there. We're almost at 1,000, but I realized as well we need watch hours, so I have to work on that. But it's been going good. My birthday is coming up, and so working on that. Guys, can I tell you, last week I felt so, maybe not demotivated, but just a little bit disappointed, because honestly for the month of February I thought I was doing the most to really cut down on the food and something. Me not eating rice like that and something, but I still haven't lost any weight. I mean, I haven't been going to the gym, no fault of my own, and I'm really hoping that this is it. Like, I'm gonna go back fully. You saw in the clip I was in the gym. I loved it. I got to go 2 days. That was great because I really like going to the gym. But yeah, I'm really hope it will work. And thank you guys so much. I realize you guys are loving the food videos, and me like to them too, I'm not lie. So yeah, I'm gonna continue with those videos because I think you guys like them. You're gonna want to stay tuned for the next food vlog. It's a suggestion that has been commented. So we're gonna be doing that. Just really want to give you some encouragement. It doesn't matter what your week has looked like or what the upcoming week is gonna bring. You don't even know what those things are yet, so nobody stress yourself over it. No worry over that. because Jesus is our provider. Don't worry over what the week will bring. Honestly, I get it. Life be lifing sometimes, and it's not always easy. It's not always easy to stay encouraged or stay motivated, but one of the things for me, and I can only tell you what works, honestly, I know not everybody is a Christian, and I know not everybody subscribe to the Bible, but you see when me read God's word, you see me reminded, say his eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches over me. Yes, when I read the Bible, that tells me, say, for my God shall supply all my needs according to his riches in glory. And just other encouraging scriptures about just God's love for me and the purpose for which I'm created. That's what gets me going. In those days when I just feel like, listen, I'm gonna run for turn on my music, and listen to my Jesus fight my battle for me, and them things there, just to encourage yourself, because you have to encourage yourself. The song says sometimes you have to encourage yourself, and you have to encourage yourself, and you have to know that it is gonna get better. Yeah, so I'm not gonna talk no much longer because it's almost 4 minutes already. But yeah, so just stay encouraged. Continue to watch the vlogs, because look at encouragement over here, so for you too. By the way, let me go talk about this, guys. Now, for those who do nails, if you've ever had a broken nail, you know the drama. You know how the cookie come down. You know how river banking bust way. Listen, my nail broke all the way up, like up here, up there. This one. I was getting the clothes out of the machine, but I was like rushing. I was just miserable that day, honestly, and ended up hitting on my finger, and it was just bleeding like crazy. Speaking of which, guys, like when I come up close like this, you can see how much they've grown out. And I know I should take them off. No, this hand look a little bit worse than this one, but I'm just not ready. And I want to know, like, if you wear nails, comment down below if you go through the struggle too, of it's time for them come off, but them still look good, and you love it. You get accustomed to seeing your hands with the nails, and so you just don't want to get rid of them. That's the dilemma that I'm in right now. I'm gonna miss them, but I want to take them off because I want to give my fingers a break, because as I said before, I'm gonna say again, my birthday is coming up, so I want to give them a break, because I want to do them again for my birthday, and especially like this one, it's gonna need a little, gotta get a little tenderness, Shrek, right? So yeah, but I want to do those things. But guys, I have a plan for March, I'm gonna say it here, just go and stay tuned to the channel. Right now I'm at the beauty supply store. I'm gonna get that, so I may show you that whatever I get in the beauty supply store in another vlog though, because I'm gonna wrap up this one. And until my next vlog, my next upload, I'm gonna just go and big up on yourself. I'm gonna just go and keep it on. And remember, if I tell a friend, if I tell another friend, if I tell all of them friends, tell all your friends to come on over and subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Guys, we're gonna wrap up another car. Later, bye.